think it would be best if you should start with that conversation on Spotify rap about Abontin on how artists be on their platform performing based on their music and the reach or multi get it to. I think one of the controversial one is stepping out most exported artists. And I think most exported artists on the app means artists are ABO Ghana near amount for money Ghana is streaming in pa. And I think that's the definition I had from or more title no making. But in paying for her, my main started with Sidofina na Jauna Kofa by.
Okay.
Na my babu into no so when they are done, they are more in the studio. It was what do you call it? Interview high, be have enche. I can form you know fear. Sido,
Mr. Ali.
What really made you even made that post in terms say? Then a trigger so Obusa say, "Who the one who artist?" Now yes, so artist woman. What really triggered that?
So ye na ye nim say ye catch her. I want for say Shatawali a local champion.
Okay.
Uncle baby on travel into me nye bibia so and ye wo other artists are not ye omumi enu no mo compete which is Stonebwoy or no yes so or no the old no ye or ye international man like so who said no. But this is the case or more obi or no travel ko outside or co shows or kobo shows I can say or outside or co host shows or outside na when ya amount for ntie your man not just say one. So what you say? So people were like Stonebwoy fans, you know, adi omunim ye pan say or more bet attacking artists, but omun streaming Stonebwoy song no. And yes, I will travel ko how na videos papa una wo frɛ yi ba wo di big artists international artists neighbor country nim na che say oh yeah big o there be unyom no say na echo outside they say na tie so what you say enye kasa be bro so what you say God is here.
So with my question mama I say you really made that post because of how being natives, no, or Moheli Stonebwoy.
Exactly.
The post was based on Stonebwoy not making it.
And you're non kwa, a baby artist,
but then I trigger my post here because it's because of Stonebwoy.
Because me who Shatawali was so I was so happy. So what I say, me who was so I was like yeah, local champions or outside they say they 80 no, sanity, yeah, cassava.
All right, local champions outside it. Maybe Bonti has a different view. Mamda Bonti on them. Bonti.
What's it?
Over the week, as I said, right, Spotify release or more rap like that's artists how are more performing based on more platform no so no. And one of the few posted by Bonti I get to the attention as we said was the most exported artist. And as I explained, that's understanding a womb with the title given. Do you feel like it's a point I see a Gina so they criticize the artists based say utu kwan kobo shows, but when it comes to a particular streaming platform, you couldn't make it to the people that you see on outside Ghana. Do you see it to be an issue?
Well, first of all, my charity for now, Yankoswa and I must say. Baby, I drew Saturdays. As my boss will say, we are here to educate, inform, and also entertain people. You know, Riley. First of all, just like any other thing, it's all called my beer more. You peer. Or my money pa more dance, and I or more year, and my who say we. A Juma way, and I said this is what they are known for. And it's Oba Ghana has here, just like music is global thing no. Yes, so see our artists are more a Juma be. Now this year is a commodity bakwa. Ghana ye nim efa Ghana ho ye cocoa. Oba Africa has here a second leading producer in cocoa. So answer na eba nyum to no more. We need people who are going to sell our music outside. Now to your question, say artists me kobo shows were bonting na ekoba say ye share or more export Ghana music and na say ye hu ni din wo listen so first of all share international shows now to before say me call cry share you can say exported artists obi a enwom no a Ghana ye no your streaming platforms nkrofo omuni ha a ompese omutie sisi a ye wa ha obi won kran ontumi mfa ne radio no nto 104.7 na wa share obetumi a share Facebook and as bi obetumi akọ any of the my joy modern Ghana a obehu ye yi wo obehu Opemsuo FM. I think I checked it and it's active there. Nti obetumi akọ akọ tie ye live e wo ho nom ne ade so probably bi a enwom a ye no Ghana ha obi a oni ha no mo a obetumi a streaming platform bit say Spotify Audiomack ne ade nti Spotify for the omo de bae na ye hwe A-list artist na ebi ti say Stone Boy ye hu ne say okọ international shows bebre tutu kwan ko bobo shows ne ade ba ne din am
ye ka say chronic Ghana
oni Ghana kra nti ne din am nti argument ni nyina ne say obi a okọ abonten kokọ bobonwom na list aba na ye hu ne say abonten na okọ no nipa bebre hu wo honom nti no omaje watum ene say wo free ho de wo say etie onwom wo ho because onwom na ye ede
yeah
na ye hwehwe wo na ye hu wo mu de na say problem but ye hwehwe ni say I don't see any problem with it but you see sankrofo no a your friend or outside the man call honom no they are the same people no munimu no baby
yeah
but they organize shows and called him out there at the end of the day adwuma na ye no sika yentimi nka say we are just here to entertain people. We do this as our hustle. We adwuma your professional yafa. Until you can't book somebody from Ghana no afa na free had na kwa kuduru abrochire wa bra onye dey untua nka. Na stisi ba Ghana has ya no ye interviews no. O kan sem ba ko. O say ubitima take be 10,000 streams ansa na be onya $1. I don't know who says session or bit streams, you know, a baby be nipa be 10,000 be streaming and say be $1 ba. So what it means is that on only shows, you know, and as any sikana onya free streams mu, onya free shows are area, yeah, then it also.
Okay.
So to make it a point, say, you share Spotify or more less than a buy and or more my export Ghana nyom akudru amonani ana omo amonani omutie Ghana nyom no Stone Boy obi an idiam because he ntie no nyom no meanwhile they are the same people you booking free hand no kwa bonten kokobɔ nyom no. So I don't see why we should debate on this even though you see a advantage now because they think say while you travel outside no you should be able to reach out to more audience say when you walk around in your absence you know they will feel your energy and then stream your song.
But let me sorry to cut you short, but let me ask a question. A fan will ask based on the Ubu say. On Sidofina Kasani, she says something. Say, most of Stone Boy fans or the Beam natives target Shatawale to be a local champion because almost shows outside Ghana. Don't you think they said okay? So be one part of where they get money and how they judge. So you can't where you are even trying to make us understand say streaming money in the crack cannot be compared to a show sikano. Don't you also feel say then the SM family also has that right in terms of if you people are trolling them say omonko abontin kobo shows not online they are but near so ya bem na onim there then we too we can do the same.
I'm not saying say I support you on that.
Okay.
I'm not condemning say trolling or analysis.
But you're condemning the fact say then what are you condemning now?
Dear me, I'm not condemning anything, but okay. I'm trying to justify the two. Say, nipa no kwa bonten kokobo shows na obono. It doesn't mean say one jiska. And the fact say unhunu or Spotify no so interest say we ska bebre. Actually, I make an what I say. But me can about be to say these things that we are doing will go a long way to help us.
Where the us means
the industry.
Okay.
But what I say?
Yeah.
See. Yeah, nyoma bebre hwe. E dey kokoduru say ene ye hwe most exported artists amode enyom ekwa hwe me share top 100 Spotify top 100 and all 16 31 32 and 33 ɛno nko ara na ɛnyɛ Ghanaians ɛyɛ akɔkyɛkɛhwɛ
the
exported there be which Spotify top 100 CCI and you
okay
16 32 and 33 and on kwan enye Ghana nyum e kwan be nso a eye conscious efforts say ya nkasa ye patronize ye ya de yeah share sa ne oma ni nyina you see last year omo ye say ye champion ya de bi say ye operation play Ghana music. This thing has gone a long way to help us.
And the question is,
we do it. And you know, na me who say anyo mai. Inti na bedru Christmas bia na, we know there is something here. But what I say, ye frefren crofo man crofo ba fie. Inti no, we will start going to these streaming platforms to check some of the bangers I work Ghana and and this thing go a long way to put us on the map. I honum or Spotify honum. Inti no, to say ye hunu Stone Boy or hot because so ochini e wa abonten ne ade bro we dey me I don't see anything
big deal bia because omoka says I shatter ntimi nkobi ano local like it's like an agenda wo honum so what you say now your honum say analyst we abana nipa na ye hu so ye international artists no ni din ma like o be surprised like obia even the fans ni po o mate shock I didn't see na Stone Boy enka list
so that mamenka we nshem na bontin ka dobeka no with the list na 10 na aba but they be any bit to us. They be any bit to us. My member Blacko
on 5 and all can. Top 5. The all can one seven Stone Boy him.
Top 10.
Top 10 as Stone
Boy.
Top 10. Ono wa crop the other top 5 for no.
Any question me. No to 6 simple.
My menje Black view. Black.
Really?
Over the week Spotify for release omo enema omo chere say afinimu nyina no artists be modern based on country based it be like call individual platform they are country based near there but in Bokas in Ghanaians that's what abeto yenim most stream Ghanaian artists in Ghana but a lot of these lists about Stone Boy finds himself in some of them but there is a particular one a driving agenda as is here people are talking about it the most exported artists. What is your view on this? Do you think say it is good say you be using and no say just be actually Stone Boy say he always been on international stages and even just recently I think CAF way events be or performing. Do you think say a right say be so they are trolling and I say even to make an issue out of the whole thing say most exported artist Stone Boy and me are making it to the top 10 list of Spotify?
A question here, firstly about the trolling team. I mentioned it before we be out even talk about most exported artists here in Ghana. It's only in Ghana and Zonkwana unya artists be mane condemn international platforms. We say any platform they be mikino who he is. But platforms here you almost have been an idimba mupe. We are seeing now on to change easy. Beyonce crab is young to one ho. Ghana Nkwana sad in the war. In the sense, you get these artists in our platforms, and yen in a Bemana Bibia. But when your nomination, they when you see the Fina more, hey, they'll be jumping on tenterhooks. Spotify is the most exported artist, and based on their pair, what Bonte explained, based on their calculation or whatever it was, no, it wasn't even fancy. The artist who is known are mainly on the outside world, and yet they were boss shows do, and yet they were continents for exports. In almost term of almost definition of exports, near through their platforms.
Yeah.
In Tisemete, Cameroon, Namiti, or we are me Shazame, Shatawalia, Ebeba, me Shazami Moli, Ebeba, me USA, Canada, by Omumu streams, no.
Yeah.
And no more day and humanity
exactly.
That's I say when why in internationally because if you and I to confirm to Dofina na Muzan is here say between Shatawale and then Stone Boy when a bomb more shows internationally you would all say Stone Boy and he say what is export it's a be born on outsider any export no but we on my boxing in that category say
on the streams
per almost streams no this is as a boom play release your mode most exported artists na e bana say Stonebwoy count na Shatawale in zone count.
And I also feel say my for we can hold the can cry. I feel said the fans consuming the music, also preference is to come and play.
Yeah.
Example, if most of Stonebwoy fans somewhere outside is streaming on Apple Music or any other streaming platform, these are some of the results we are going to face. Yeah.
And I want to say minim Charisma said this is how good Charisma is. So you see a Charisma jina here bonyum. Na DJ Sidofina and so ba Charisma de minim. Now go listen to Sidofina krona ma he how or yeah. So Shatawale abonyum be street crown. Shatawale controversial TikTok what so kun. Maybe me feed ni din me beba na akọ ekro e hwan. Makọ na ya account ba ako. Stonebwoy de minim no. O release album me tie wi me ko tie no boom play mama Spotify. Me atiase men ko tie no audio mark enti me okay me ma Spotify bi. It is an achievement worth celebrating. A year say shatter din wo and then all that. But to make it a troll at the say the trolley Stonebwoy because ni din ma Spotify most exported there. I feel emueha, especially when the artist himself, and I'm digging I know, or say we say nyoma we nye ne man ye kese na ayi omo pan tag just kuti no mo ne man ye kese dia.
Exactly.
I don't know we anybody a we ni je ho. I am mo streets a survey no. Na mon fan nante eno mu claim ya obia ne monye waji
oh no dey see
they make you what I say and the Charisma bonyo ma
no dey say
and me say enti no na nka eno mum na e ma say mudi trolley obia mudi trolley sto mum di trolley obia na no be drum say bia wontimi nka bi. But if you talk about export now we be into other part of export in there when kwan ntimi nye like the most Riley yourself said it say CAF airline e bebo AFCON 21st December so then started. Yeah, artists when I call Stonebwoy international shows the yin na him any export and export. Thank you. Enti no say o fair no now far we now can your comparison there are some kind of exports are a way more or bigger than the other. Main person make is this year no Spotify for export or form chain international export shoes but main cohort but then can you some
one way or the other your education kaka Black you could say that the reason I say let's just do a basic analysis. Obi Kobo just a show near man $10,000 and this streaming if you rely on Spotify and Kwa it could take you about if your man so strong say she's streaming like Shatawale it could take you a period of time to accumulate that $10,000. Now your demo will be physical cash at hand to go and perform.
And no create the international platforms so performing. How many nipa do e be you on phone to stream in you or matter
so still now so
that's that one you see fans as customers based on our preference. Baby otienum ewo. Yes. Wo otienum wo infa. Audio mark. But don't say Spotify by you are jubilating, right? But what's one go stream chat and more Spotify. Basically what I'm saying is something says such a wale is celebrity and no problem. Yeah, he can celebrate. It means at least he's doing well. Yeah. If I say be I say or Riley a year they be okay. Distribution platform be international. It means there's a platform so well man by making people get to know his songs. Good for the industry as a whole. Good, but to troll your most exported international artists.
Well.
On way back
so Black let me add this end the conversation and started with the interview. So you see with even these platforms what kind of investments on the platform you are on will also count. Example, let's say my releasing
a simple example who could try
now my spending music now Spotify definitely it will add up my Spotify number. What you say? No, not stream farm. Your legit promotion. And now, so with Spotify, they have other stuff. We have the Spotify Live. It's a TikTok now. You could just go there, interact with your fans. There are another app like wow. Yeah, live. The other features are you could sell your merchandise. I think right or say t-shirts, a Republic t-shirt, ticket sales, this animal. Fans to be match on near it's just like a gift, like just like TikTokers.
Okay.
Yeah, not so then so it depends. I feel like preference account. It's me and fair and the same way event organizers or bookie artists no so preference based. No so no. Yeah. You know. All right, let's see for Opemsuo 104.7 FM. My pandits by force, my ready.
Your mechanic, well, you are for we so it was chance, I know who said, on Canadian,
oh, that we say we best a mudaho.
Explanation here, okay.
Sana.
Oh, my say that you
Wemo.
Farasifui.
All right, let's go for this music break. Let's go. MC sir, I am all clashing with a grandmaster on the night. I was say Hypersonic. He has been in the industry for 1 or 2 months in the morning there. Sunday so value guy now performing magic. Hypersonic will fear any never between come. Rapping in Aquaba.
Manager. Yeah.
Na bia boko
me adom ye ginam
and then come on the media minimum dada the question bia mbebusa bia na mebusa ma atiefo sidofina mo so ahye omo headphones dey omo so bebusa questions ni be definitely bonti wa say so owner media minim say for Kofi Asam. I don't know if I got the name right. Me dey be ka ho ana
me dey the Hypersonic.
I see you doing the Hypersonic. Why Hypersonic? Can't starting free on them. Sonic, they say a game or a game as I'm missing a game to say your majai.
Hypersonic, no. Maintenance be 2 years and I'm doing as because let me pick stage name.
Okay.
Inti. And say hype manager man. Oh.
Yeah.
I got the hype from Hypersonic. And I read say Hypersonic and so it related to the word Hypersonic and it related to sounds.
Oh, okay.
Sounds. And I said that and I say and I'm fine.
Now fine. So Ona, me knowing you, Yamfan say actively seeing you with this whole hype management was 2 years ago. Ubetimiaka, one of the things and as one of the shows wo as a person Ubetimiaka say, oh, this is the time I'm realizing okay, this is what I want to start and this is what I want to do.
That was about 3 years back.
Okay, and how did it start for you?
Me who I don't say bye and because
but how kind of first show, boy?
First show. I was with Chucky Papa.
Okay.
I am a Kaiser. Oh no.
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 Crowd no.
Activation. And say it didn't come about. I'm say.
Me camera feed. Okay, I'm activity drinks. Oh, okay, and I'm quite a program on. So for Yemfano 3 years, right? Ebano, how has been the journey? What are the things I'll be to Maka say? I do they see Mammy Philly say, me perform because I know work me bit so I know say challenges. Sometimes people will come and trying to tell you and such issues and how do you handle them?
And not such issues. Example, Nangaza making it. You know, be because Undimination found because if you are a DJ, so I say, oh, you man are your name, son, and I know a different, but I know, I'm sure that encounter with other. But because we are me straight no my director, I'm a DJ. But say
what the pressure in my DJ.
My catcher say in a bonyo. Say all the money we there, you in a bonyo. But say we be a hand from a Juma Kasari.
Okay.
A fee.
So how do you deal with that?
If you know. So I live me Adventist.
Oh yeah.
Nti. Say Juma.
Say Saturday.
Say Juma we na ne parallel.
Inshia.
Nti. Enye
SD 40 o asa bi ma ye
enye ne bi a ya say
wabu ani
ya de ye huni a because ye hu from afar what I say and I was a pursue nti ye ne bi a ye hu na ye ne nye sa anka oh ye jai da right.
O start as an MC, would you say wow official DJ or any movie around and answer what the end day? Obinya Buki was a hype man for the party, a DJ be all be and everything you're going.
Yes, I need it for now, but see they mean DJ scratching them in the movie.
Okay.
But
Scratch.
and yet two official say
because I'm no play or one side
yeah.
man my bomb watching. Okay. And I think it will be a perfect combination. I think my choice is Cryer, right? To put Mumi on one slot. Bonti Pesoka.
Scratch a Gen Z DJ.
Gen Z DJ, yeah.
Okay.
Sidofina will be Bibikana. Mame, ma omo biana abejafo will be Bibika. Then we'll come back to the upcoming events. Sidofina Hypersonic.
Hypersonic, right?
Yeah.
That's why it's so calm.
Yeah.
On say hypers no money suye.
Oh yeah, you might Bonti experience in the man country.
Oh no, say me the men who say in America. So what
you know that creatives are very.
Yes, we are very calm. Yeah, we are very calm.
See who is talking.
Or they on one camera.
Oh, of course, me are very calm.
Sidofina Hypersonic.
Okay, so hyper. You say hype will be sorry also a hype master like or hype or you say a dear depana munya like dear dinner munya womb me person who's adding.
You know hype manager.
Obia as obia person hype or ye hype man or ye say oh yeah there me a hype man so one who's adding. So a dear bad depan was a hype man.
Hype manager man. Juma said the Juma be out here. The way Juma iska right.
Okay.
Ndina mka say Juma.
Okay.
A Juma
Ketriano.
yes. Iska. Skali wom do but it be maybe for make us for me there. It be a passion right.
Okay.
Me sana me home media no. Say a passion. I don't know say a talent too, but me the any day me hone say a passion.
Oh, okay. All right.
And the answer a juma in this scanning so
so with what you said earlier, you said you are an Adventist, and you know yes some nisa hype on the entertainment until free baby to say me fan say me media because hey mama way. So one who's saying ugusu ye. Do you think so would be quite true? Because mean disrespected parents. So what can I say? And I will church in paying for.
Me can I say but ye chomo.
Much more.
Estating them cry, estating them ye we a hon.
Okay.
Maybe I nominate ye be an ye baby our
okay, so have you worked
by
okay.
A buy. So that's how can you now buy a check. Am I who you may
say the BBI okay.
And yeah, okay, cry.
Okay.
Okay, so have you been on stages Oko shows, right?
Yeah.
Stages bay pan or feel say wait there. My age you may feel okay.
Chill out with Riley or say.
Pacho na Debbie on MC na
because he has been on
hype
a lot
man
of shows.
Bonti. Yes.
I really feel a party. Nightlife first edition.
Nightlife hosted by
Riley or say.
Hey.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, first edition, and I think that Miss Anna Riley could be any.
Chilla Riley, I think that's the third
Virtual.
edition.
Oh yeah, to say Riley the Uchiauka.
Riley
Okay.
Chiamika.
All right.
That means Tiana.
I want them to pay me because CMB in free.
All right, so the final I want to say, can remember Bonti on Bonti Hypersonic. I know say
Hypersonic.
2 weeks or 3 weeks ago you worked with him.
Oh, true.
Yeah, and he's
True, I
here.
worked with him, and
Bibi
it was beautiful. Now, me before this Hypersonic, now I've been hearing of him on radio.
Yeah. Oh, okay. YFM for him.
Da.
Yeah.
Says that Twitter boys. Tweet,
Agenda boys.
Charlie. So I knew him from afar. The first time you could share I Village,
Yeah.
Okasa and I'm say, boys, idiot.
I saw him.
Because I didn't know the take a year. I said, no, free radio. So by me, I'm in free. Me tweet keke. So Okasa and I'm say, boys, idiot, minim. And when I'm here fast, na me rerem kakra na me busa questions ketu ebi na me hu say senior man based na me wono. So we started talking. And to be honest with you, when the program started, the energy, the crowd movement, the momentum, the way almost carry
Event.
crowd no event yo bro, it was top notch. Honestly, me kono. Now Obia ni honoma, I've been to shows, honestly.
Yeah.
But a honoma no. Now I was just imagining say
how is it going to be?
How is it going to be? Like how is it going to be? How are they going to sustain a day near the idea? So now honestly, to be honest, I was very scared.
Oh,
But
okay.
I say DJs ne say some bonyum now boys ne beje microphone I'm say yo talents they here. And they were able to keep it on that momentum. And one thing I love about them is that they gave me room to also operate. Me say they will do it. They also gave me their pieces of advice and coordinating at the end of money. But you see, I have him here. I want to ask one question.
Okay.
You see, your job is to keep the crowd.
Mama bro for na model.
Kafra. So what would the answer obema nipa na ni agya and sakra na be artist aba na say be artist ni okra. So wo stage na say wo ye adwuma no na hu say nipa dom na atwa hia ho no omo vim no wo fam a how do you do it? Ebi wo ho no mo a ebi a say mo ye two na mo koya. Hype man bi betimi aba. Bo say nipa na ni agi bebre ba o ba bo say energy no e kofem.
Yeah.
Say to sa what are some of the things that you do to revive that way?
Wouldn't reviving that crowd, I know a thing, but I want to say human energy and a vibe. Say vibe on a crowd in Asia. Weird thing. Weird thing. Especially with the DJs. I say we work with the DJs now. Na energy na shi ana yɛ de entertain the crowd nti sɛ me ebi nya nto me ɛna to me aminim sɛ ɛyɛ de ya DJ no because I say we ready crowd na we ready crowd in here di mo sɛ obo nya fa ha ɛbɛfa obo fa ha nso a ɛmfa nti enyi na meka sɛ ebi nya nto me because me na scratch adwuma say boy share crowd on me yes me am catch what I say share crowd on na me catch na on so the wagen na edwuma na yekoye ni
cool baby who ne say until because you are in your comfort zone because I
you know
you say
yes
no boy what shows so outside
asking say
I say like entone na make o say on comfort zone am say what shows outside adangoma say so our experience say
sad any be that
yeah.
So what the advice I made the man say? Advice I made the man say. Once an hour say when scratch then and said any official, I would want you to sit down with him now and I hear you man. Cause say be I'll call outside show be nice could do na DJ no. On also feel you vibe no so body OPB at the end of the day, you blame me on only DJ no. Oh ne be blame me. So what I say. So it's better you get a DJ be our the best chances of it. And I wish you all the best, bro. I wish you all the best.
All right.
Say basa or no be blame me DJ no. But a wo hype man no.
Me blame me DJ no. Me ka say me the man say with the crowd no ɔno you know with the crowd na ɔbɔnya wɔn fa ha ɔno DJ no wɔn DJ sɛ no wɔn ɔbɔnya wɔn fa ha ɛna ginger wɔn ɔbɔnya wɔn fa ha ɛnyɛ wɔn hwee ɔte ase.
But unim say yetimi light me ko machine need me dum. Now hype man no yes so na we into mostly no wo su na gina because I've been to a show bibia koye na ka mic no but enyum nem seen a hype man no hype gina so what yes
all right that brings us to a T4 tier high up in 104.7 see another feeding into any hypersonic and dream commo. There is an upcoming event I may host. It's Clash of DJs. It's called the Ninth Life. We are doing the second edition now at Kumase Ivy League, the east side to be precise. And if you have any dream commo about hype man Jumani Jenny. I didn't come on be hypersonic. Minimum program with it. It was initiated by me because I did the first one, and the first one no and this time around, I'm doing a clash of DJs, which Oka MCs with you and what do you call it?
Grandmaster.
Scratch and Grandmaster ne Young Black. What should people expect tonight?
Love. Even though a clash, but
yeah.
And you be who be
yeah.
And yet and talk on I love. And I had the answer expectations and I was saying the reason I'm raising on family, I'm by every match energy. Because so I'm raising expectation of uncle. I'm by every match energy. In so more day baby from crowd, what do you raising?
All right, so time by na event next started time. Okay, Sidofina, maybe our question.
Me danke. Once I say oh you so calm mommy. I say me hun say
Sana me
like I me person me witness ne perform.
And you may bra.
For real, that's all you so calm mommy say obey hype man. So Charlie.
So boy me ko fi akobo abo me ho abo na me say hey MC ni. Bro, pe charisma boy you no agi microphone na.
Me tell you can
Mr. Raleigh man ne my free show so what you say?
Debbie.
Yeah. 2 minutes be near because
it's going to be amazing because DJ Blacko the men say say near friend say there was one DJ before Scratch by young boy be honest say
Gasty.
No, when you Gasty.
Yeah.
Blacko on a grand
Joe DJ Joe.
Yeah.
Joe.
Bro there be when you Joe Blacko can home Grandmaster's DJ near friend say
Young Black
is
Young Black representing
it. Amazing, bro. Boy you move.
Young Black. So Young Black is clashing with your friend is Scratch today.
And there was one MC back who was on
Grandmaster only.
And a Grandmaster anyway. So it's here for all her live on Facebook. That's the flyer. DJ Scratch, the Gen Z DJ versus DJ Young Black. And
well, we are good. And
DJ Scratch versus DJ Young Black and MC Hypersonic versus Grandmaster.
Deadly. So
and then the Ninth Life happen or I Village. Ona, yeah, sorry, so that's what I know you by. Hypersonic, yeah, sorry, so your last words and before your last words, so be per se obuki wa crime base no before so obuki.
I'm active socials and as well Hypersonic MC. Baby,
we a Cube Studios 400 almost at a chair.
I know the actually.
I'm gonna age you, man.
Flyer,
Obi per se obuki for sure.
And I make an socials and Hypersonic MC. Baby, Hypersonic MC.
Your last words and your last words now the show need the account.
My last words and I didn't can. Hype management will be a juma obedience of talent.
Okay.
And you see and one for watch out or more watch out.
Watch out.
Omo watch out.
Omo watch out.
Omo watch out. Alright.
Adi obi akanda da.
Hypersonic near the dream come on the upcoming program happening in I Village. The Ninth Life. Regina at TikTok say we are rapping live. We coming. Until then you mean the Clash of DJs in air so Hypersonic, Grandmaster, DJ Scratch, DJ Young Black. Young corner when we come, the show still continues. But as I said, we have another superstar in the house who happens to be somebody about Chilla Riley or say. You best start with them come on from there near Baby run a personal life from then. We enter more into the music career because that's why he's here. Or a new music out there where we release it, then we talk much about it. He's called Stages. Rapper in Akwaba.
Yeah.
Now we be able to call. Yes, that's free the first time I met you. I think I met you at Abusia FM.
Yeah, sure.
And yeah, share I
Village, sure.
Chilla Riley say.
Yeah.
Genuinely, what was your experience? And I said then I'll buy anything you like to talk about.
Oh, it was crazy. Like I was not expecting this kind of huge crowd. Very crazy, amazing.
Thank you. Yes, I we are available. I know nobody come. Let's talk about your name Stages. How did they come about? Stages no near free because me sure say you will be a man papa and mommy out on the stages and I be a honamente.
Oh, these stages ne quite fast by any me tenacity realizes in this life, we don't have to rush.
Okay.
We just have to take everything step by step. So that was the main reason why I took the name Stages.
Yeah. Okay. Stages into be
step by step. Sure.
All right. Stages started in Afibemu. How long has it been for you?
Oh, I started the music this year. But
this year, yeah.
But I've had a passion for, like when I was young, I had a passion for it.
Wow. Yeah, we are not starting.
Yeah.
First time I recorded it.
Titan here together.
You bet me a bit freestyle of it.
Oh, okay. Pretty girl with a fine face, I know you are sweet like pound cake. Anytime I set my eyes on you, I didn't miss my rise, oh my darling. My girl, I don't talk much, I just show action and you know that. Pretty up on the table, let me see your mom and your daddy. I will get married to you, my love. I will make you be my wife for life. I will love you forever in my heart. I will get married to you, my love. I will make you be my wife for life. I will love you forever in my heart.
But what took you so long, Ansana, Emma, while recording you?
It's all about money, financial. You know that thing.
Sikasem.
Yeah, sure.
Now, the way you threw me, the better no be able. I say, if it is a Korea, you know, boy. What's up? Like, hairstyle and effect. What's the reason behind it?
Once you're artist, you have to brand yourself. And me share industry, me say there's no male artists are why Afro. So that was the reason why I pick it and decided I mean this kind of hairstyle.
Oh, okay. And what keep it this kind of hairstyle?
Yeah, sure.
We starting music in Hanuma baby free day. Most of the times parents are complaining with your music when we choose this part, especially being a creative. What the end I started say is this parents next year say my straight away and I say
me pops there like my number one fan or supporting me big time. But I'm meaning on years so but my father there, my number one fan, perfect.
Okay. So this year you starting how many music now are recorded so far? They were releasing it, they don't release it.
They made about the 3. This year 3.
The other about air 3 and they own fan about
they me fan out cried a dozen plenty.
Within the year no.
Like when the minyan drop it but
mean say on drop it but because within the year I was starting music here and recording you baby go or no.
Oh yeah, sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why your production man?
Future Dusty or can I say Ebuakwa Kufudria.
Ebuakwa Kufudria.
Yeah, no.
So let's take it to or 3 singles now we're releasing. Who released the first one? How was the reaction? A man for bash so massa. The annual and a copy BB and I said, how was it? How was the feeling?
First one I'm the bar out, you know. Chorus, everything is on point, but the way lyrics in the BBI on point, but the way I miss it too, no. I didn't feel it myself. The way I miss it too, I didn't feel it myself. So that track and the crowd together, no. My marine say as time goes on, Mesa rebranding and my different way.
Obesa creating the
yeah, because lyrics in on point solid.
Okay, all right. So the second song is not titled yet.
Bless me.
Bless me.
Yeah.
What was the reason behind bless me?
You know, in this life, you know, we have to support each other, and we also the only ska and I say only ahodia. So that was the reason why in here I made bless me by.
We so bad how did they see it? And I want to say the first one they was saying now as a while say why I saw our recording be. How did you feel about this one?
This one there, like I felt this one was crazy, it was fire. Because all my brothers and sisters they love this tune. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I say a quite like number streams and say
you know, maybe an upcoming artist, I feel I may build that kind of, you know.
Okay.
But I made a lot of promo about that tune, like say, me trap videos, a lot of videos here, sure.
But we try official video and I say we try visualizers.
Oh, visualizers, let me try.
We try visualizers.
Yeah, sure.
All right, you being an artist, there definitely we are dropping number 1 or 2 in there. Any industry, as we know, definitely. What do you call it? Management, account, investment account. Does that be a point? Okay, I'm going to say, management, be as
Patcho, there we need any management.
Or has there been any point to be approach you? So I want to come in and support what you are doing, whether it be in financing or time.
Oh, not yet that, but I'm hoping so.
By everybody, I'll bet you.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, do you see cash on me? Because I say, be moved label dues, but I don't have him so bad.
Oh yeah, sure.
Want to fear my busa bonte be an 1 or 2 be busa stages. At if any stages and air to trim come. He's an artist, a musician, and no fear CI and an air to trim come. Bonti stages.
So when you say Eddie, you tanasia na ubi ba Eddie and ubi bisa.
There be minimum.
Inti any say ya na ubi sam say.
There be minimum because
na me 1 or 2
be. Embrabe bre wa ha. Obi abetena se amabuso a wo se pusu
enra nko a mekan
enra nko a
wa ma
bonti dey any paluta interview ha me busa wo se wo bibika
na interview aye why you interview nyina awie why you interview awie wo hwema nimpa hu se mpese meka bibi wo se bonti madumu mic me ma won kasa afi wie as ka bibi dey na meka
ba wo se me record to all the stages wa
stages. Bro,
boss,
I see talent in you, honestly. Initially, there ain't easy, but as you said, no, say idea right from childhood, no who say idea or pursue it's not going to be easy. What I say,
yeah, sure.
But I want to know something. Me who say to say the you could rap and sing at the same time. So, into a strength and ankasa.
So far, me starting music, you know, I started with rap. But later on, I realized, oh yeah, rap no quality. I'll be doing this kind of, you know, rap no quality. It's not going to favor me. And it's idea I'm fast singing and can me both rap and singing.
So you put all in one music, and I say there are certain times I'll be my rap songs and then there are certain times I'll be my singing songs.
I shall say me started with rap. So I have rap music over there. So as time goes on, a gradual process. Yeah, no so be
right, Matthias. But there's another question I'm facing with you. Say we are artists now, but I say meet me aye, meet me. Is there something in you who say so hard to see yeah once you confidence how the baby is there something that you still have in you that you are afraid to bring it out? Is there something still in you like that?
Oh, bibia sani wo de ba me works bibia me de beba out ba ade bia be block me ama me fan ba out bia financially no say we as we any de onim bibia to me happen ba so me wo men can say grand no in terms of financial and the bibia no betima stop me.
All right, no enye what will stop you from doing music? Is there some other potentials
apart from music?
Apart from potentials be more to me ade abeka nwom no ho. On say nwom no de wo ba wa it say de say be wo call kon no.
Yeah, sure.
Inti no first plan failure, your second a year there. Inti be say me hu say is that all you are giving us? And I said there are more that we should expect from you. Are there some hidden things be
me right now no the me meet my can say music ni na ma discover in me and no na discover
right,
but apart from music e be adwuma me yen so na me ka say bia me hair stylish like e be barbering and na me they support me music and e be those two no yeah
okay but you transplant
oh na
oh yeah
oh na
all right
ada bonti person ko yebia na
maybe asemna maybe
oh there's some me other than me there and there enya asemna me bisa
me musa question
and I'm me busa na say me na me busa questions Sophia
Ebacho eso di biba ho no
adaroma bacho maybe why
me me busa question no person ko yebia na
me yebi na say me afro gangster
see the feel now be busa.
Okay, so Pacho Dino
stages
yeah. Pacho young fans so school yin na ne o bibi da ni so o now o now person e dey
oh and I make music na person me a passion o no.
Okay, wo the one case obey doctor ni teacher ni sa ni ma no
oh na
yeah, no, okay, that's real. And Anna of course you know Cosby SHS
visual art.
Oh, okay, yeah, as for na me home baby I free but like you have a nice voice. What you say?
Yeah.
Anna with the rap na walk and ho asem no umia weni a oh yeah no no dey because with your face na wo boboy unyum ya eti ya no na okay can e maybe like never na kama enti no so yiro ho why
But you
Mr. Black
I just want to ask something. O can be say is it your first track that you did na umpe chorus no say something na what did you say?
No chorus no but the voice na me the tone
or the tone now.
Yeah.
But on say there is this word say music like more of like a creative mind. Regardless of how I'll be in I mean busa say who just had in idea. So regardless of how you would do it, once say creative name free one idea, you get someone loving it. Ojitu musa na say you feel so who say enya.
To me no dey na me who say like I have to change it and but or other people mutie enyom no dey more mutimi compliment say oh enyom no dey nice voice na me dey to no so you catchy.
So don't you feel now senka ebia mindset ni say let me improve on it than changing it, because when I make an answer me you say you guys as musicians are creatives inti as bibi e be free wa baby and what do you want say bia a mistake but obi beti no na that creative version. Yeah. So I feel it should have been maybe are you telling yourself say you would improve on it, but to change it no as a psychology na we are say ni penye de nam
yeah
one na bring a dent to be on you say me could be a me yenwoma ma me gi obi approve and kwan na enye de ansa no me release it.
Okay.
Say so I feel as an upcoming musician it would affect you. See how na message say hwe once you get that mindset what could you be now when to you enya it's good to tell yourself that will be improve on it rather than telling yourself say enya mami nyimfiri
exactly
they make answers. I think that's a little yeah cheer me out
and yes bia me change no the same lyrics okay. The same chorus the bia the same thing but dia me sana tone na me the to ye no Ana ebia some little bit of ibia said the be look it different be so
and when you improvement oh the word no me asem no as I said we had an interview here I think on Thursday with the valedictorian asem as the other one no be can na ye ho me I feel you telling yourself say you would improve on your voice intonation better than to tell yourself say me sisano. That's the little I'm
all right, I got you.
Do you still have something in you want say and I say who say what about cause if you still have something in you and no be ma who say ade na me ye enye nti me kwase sana de for Friday that means you still have something in you that people have not seen, so you need to improve on the works that you are doing, but not necessarily say I'm going to change a whole thing.
Sure.
But whatever comes out from you is an art. Once I nobody had any objections about and but deep within you,
maybe I know so feel so more fanful.
Deep within you, now who say make me I am an idea.
I think the choice of words. He I think basically the Okano what's the only black can say. But they be the word now choose.
So what we are saying is that he should rather improve than trying to change.
And I make us say the meaning of like what he wanted to say is what you guys are saying. Improve no. But he used only you see the word change. What I say, but he's trying to say the same thing because I think so. See the only thing or best is house he tone or the tone. So he wants to improve on this. So I think for any stages now, air train come about the music. Then what about putting 1 or 2 on. Now I'm patch on to want to say. Me if you are me manning with some questions into no there. The actual they are man who a question. Charisma, what you catch him say time. And you're upon 6 pepe.
They now soft on the bar, you know.
Yeah, that was last week.
Medumo Mike, my uncle. I'm sorry, Boko. What's the stage?
Alright, stages. So I know there is a new one out, Makoma.
Yeah, sure.
Yendi and home komoka crab before a my tea for a tea. What's the storyline? Makuma the king name said maybe the Makuma and be as will be at Wakuma.
Oh, now
and I wait when your dog be na mobi. Which is which?
What's the music on? Ye my name ye ma men can say
consumers.
Yeah, more nti ye na me ye da Makuma no manya ma meme ho. But once ye kasa Makuma sana ye perspective na ye nya no. Ako yese obi ati obi akuma but not that by cast makuma ebetima a describing say bia makuma kodi obi ho ana say bia obawe ana say bema wo ya medofo so sana me pese me chire.
Okay, so basically you being creative on say me ya de ama
listeners,
but not necessarily at their work experiences. So what's the content now and you content now then is it say unyo daso ni muyana what is it about?
The children say ebia obawi medono ana menka say search say obawi mindini ho agro I don't play with her. Okay. Try, maybe something must happen and I say
what is particular about feature Dostia and I send our kind of Casemuntin and Malcono.
Oh, once oti juma na oye na se ana owabutere ema ne artist o mo ba na asi nyina.
Okay. Okay, then tin ma record and you say ska 70. Tunya ska cry hwa na be ho.
Hwa na me ho
yete for fry e ba be show.
Oh, ure se mi ska crampo na menka na se na se bia me fly the crowd na ba one side no be record me crampo e record a big deal.
Straight. Carlos Mazze. We do be chire bu na e ofia. All right. So that when I release you.
We releasing it somewhere September morning. Yeah.
Okay, and how is it doing?
Oh, it's doing great. Like, me can say approach na and I say, the way I'm on for AC a car and you 17 crazy.
Okay. Is this Obemaya and Yom for before the year ends? And because I think we have some few days. Any days today? 6th of December. That means here be roughly 25 days. And I say, Yamfa we na and the Christmas.
Oh, yeah, the way na need.
The way na and the Christmas.
Yeah.
Is there shows Christmas? But shows when now the debut you like to share with us?
Oh, right now the show being by Amida also.
But so be so book so I available.
Oh yeah, sure.
Any number they can reach you on.
0551 21 0056
0551
21 0056.
All right, stages near the train come no. Everybody honored the socials at to your be abenya nyum ne bi na wati nti so ofie na oti me wadaro ma ida so be fa pen no paper na so phone no akra mu ye pa ma me. We are going to see hwɛ me ne de ne de pon obabu mu wani mu ope. Brapen, yeah, sorry, so your last words and our socials, baby will be betting me and you be sweaty.
The last words I'm going to jano. Me the big shout outs nema honorable Ike any blinks omo fashion designers.
Okay.
Yeah, and DJ Blaze, so big shout outs to DJ Blaze. And my social media handle also oko TikTok stages.music, Instagram Kwame Stages. Facebook the same thing, Kwame Stages, yeah.
And I knew say benya be info.
And you know so the all music streaming platforms, baby our person was search be our best search our benya.
Now I say, Kwesi P is out. Obeka and send back me no be at on time feed so I say I think music is the cheapest thing to do. I think music is the cheapest thing to do. Where I think maybe headline no and a mouth feel say be masam no kind and all the mammy really be a crabby or kind and fan show na a beer my bedroom drink chere. Or explaining say the cost of he explained that the cost of producing and promoting music has basically reduced due to digital platforms and large online fan bases. Music now is the cheapest thing to do. You don't spend a lot of money. Most of them have huge followers, so they don't pay money to radio stations and bloggers like that, he said. And now some no can say music has become cheap now. Easily with me I started say oh yeah you know sana Opemsuo. My man started with Black.
Really, me I don't side with him, right?
Okay.
Because if he is obeying a concert for 25 years in the music industry and I'm a boy. Obebo show no Bababon. He's going around giving invites to top people.
Yeah.
Music is the cheapest to do because we have all these platforms. I know on two invitation in for social platforms and so now and you say it's cheaper that way. But now
you got a band of five.
Who say ukra adibi bugasi buke bi ABC man singing kabo. You don't say this my name talk the upcoming ones must sanity. Music is the hardest thing to do financially, spiritually, and physically.
It's one of the most expensive.
You get me? It's the reason say be all can't say be
investment.
Gone are the days maybe obenante. So if that is the reason, I think we are past that now.
Basically, me sure. Sa nanti obeko way ho.
But I feel we are past that. Oh, I feel we are past that. He needs not to say music is the cheapest thing to do. Me, that is, I feel, regardless of the explanation of the mind, the car doesn't make music cheap. They make what I say. Now, why you when you're full, I go to the internet and you produce amount. What goes into even promoting your songs is now harder than teteno.
Mamimfa we all kinds of Sabia and Osbebo. However, he admitted that artists like himself still have to spend heavily on promotion because their fan base are not as dominant online like the new artists.
Lumba's fan base are not dominant online. Lumba, when he was alive, no Lumba fan base they weren't dominant online.
Yeah.
Nyanansiani ebete fan club of Lumba so mo ko radio to her. Now omo ho.
Yeah, omo.
Omo exist yenye no fan club of Lumba
friends
bebre. Nyanansia Lumba be di 60 ne. Ayi kakre onye mfimu asem na make ya. Were they dominant online. But Lumba's music was still selling. Even in his death, he is number 1 on Apple Music and then chatting tops. Music in our chatting. Bakubu or big interview okay, woman musically I mean comedy. So never budget. So if you just say it's a music is the cheap thing to do now, I feel a low blow. low blow, regardless of the reasons you give. Because it's simple, no, hard financially than then, no. Because then, no, the tomorrow music producer being producing now. Famo momoton koketia, your music shop, speakers, what they be obonyum. We had the money pay. Or bomb a man for your cassettes will be sold there. But the name to get your song on these digital platforms ain't easy. You are either get duped and I say what they call to na kwa shasi, no one will even get to listen to you.
Obisubeka say black with example ya Obeka say sometimes say cassette asema okay. And send our crowd so when yes cassette corporate and call your cassette ni so ya some for.
It's the same way as a name put a digitalized word no. It's not easy to go to a producer to record your song.
Fine, so with distribution, yeah, mistake or Obisubeka say CCIA nyuma they are free distributors so no ma unti ahwe na ado nyuma koto neko.
There are many artists that are upcoming more than the ones we know now.
Yeah.
Omunyani bebe omunyumgo.
Ebia omu be bring so nim.
Yet na haye interview right there be omo ba mo babeka. Obusan say song say no wa. Obitima ka say 36.
Atibida.
The other ba na you promoting no kra no de ba he na ate. So the platforms to put your songs there they wo.
Yeah.
But to get heard and I said to be known no, you don't go to side platforms near war no. Yeah, if Sofina say utini nyom free audio ma kales ma say onko nisika what I say ever form. So I feel you should come again. And I say obibi uti, especially if you're an upcoming artist, you need not to take it just like that. Say Kwesi say doing music now is cheap until you feel doing music now is cheap. My brother, my sister, I feel it's harder now even than then, because now the process you'd have to go in, no, they're all perfecting, someone is perfecting more than you are doing. Then time, you know, music of Genesis, Ghana, near to near accept and near do say. Opa Emfe ni mu had when he started. Ye Jena Pana Ghana, ye Geno had to near say. Never compare see the type of music genres that we have in our system. Okata when you could count like 20. Yet here na Afro one when he yeah Afro bibri waha.
Afro fusion.
Afro when until now Afrobeat. You are competing, so your help life artists. You are competing with all these people doing all these genres. Offer genre you could get like 100 people.
Blacko de no Obisubeka say. I'm just speaking for the fans.
Don't worry, we're having a conversation.
Obisubeka say sad time because more time no. Now your music scene in Ghana and Africa no, dominating music power was hip hop, R&B, then foreign music, reggae music, country music, so now dominating more so.
Debut that time you know not yet you, but they wasn't dominating no.
Oh, that time hip hop.
Because more time that I carried more time as many can you.
What a foreign music
What was saying? Really? That time
Kwesi hip hop.
But Kwesi P.
Oh, carry Papa Masem.
Baby, I papa free banintina. Am I if you what
okay.
But what's a but that time you know Kwesi P. Anye artist so we growing up wrong. Said that time that KD. That have cool. Sa o munyi na crazy. Oh, that's be dramina. Yeah, that time ni enti bibia
Slim Basta mo.
Kweke fosu ni enti bibia nka omo hu. De ni etete ka ho aye Batman. Oh, na mo kakra sa. That time of Yamponsa. Oh, Lord Kenya.
Yeah.
Oh, just at that time, no.
Yes.
Thank you. They had their time. The music scene was generally centered around them, regardless of other influence. That time Nigeria no doesn't now.
Oh, that time.
Mukobo show in Nigeria, basically, who ran to a Nigerian club, but you could hear
most of Nigerian movies had VIP songs as soundtracks.
You get me?
Yeah.
So I feel one more time, you know, Bianca said it was easy then. It wasn't easy then, but you know. So you shouldn't say a nay cheap. You know, between say investors.
You shouldn't say cheap. That's black adventure.
Fanboy or you drink. I was a producer fala. So
no, I'm probably t-shirt. Sidofina.
Oh. Okay, so dear Meme can say.
Me musa question.
Oh, send one what to my inti answer ko ana. Ono na wakane die.
So there.
Me die ni say me nene nyagin. But they be hon so men be agin because they say you know a streaming platform no be braifu. Wo hono ma manfo de ye de e de gu honom. But na Mr. Blacko ka say ayafo no mpa we de gu hono nipa say na e ko streaming amount.
Yeah.
Music is never easy. Onim say na me anyum to ni o.
A disappointed one.
Exactly. Me say na me to nyum gospel. Me to anointing.
Black, mamusa munyina na mo the account, Black, me so ya no be mama me. Do you think would have sound better if he had said, say, nowadays how to promote music or how to get a hit song has become more cheap?
I guess the avenues to promote music. And I'm about Bedos.
Exactly.
Now easily accessible.
Yeah.
Okay.
And no na be cheap dia and I make us say your free platforms in the how they call it enjoy she so what I say no na be for dia then that's fine. Now make us say me no me matunyum do me yanyum to me chiro nyum. So
and then as now can why too passionate
because
me gidi. You see me gidi asem ni di.
Mr. Rally.
With you.
Eye support na menya no. Ana se say akwhye dem.
Now support no.
Say na waka no me we bet na ha si sika 70 na man ne career de na opeso ye no osu a opeso ye no afei ne wo ye ne this year. Sika sem. So what you say? Enti say gift no ehemu. Mpo voice ni mpo ni hobby. Come ma wa capella ba ko. So it's never cheap. It's never. It's never cheap. I think that no so ne inti a kasa. So what you say?
The motive.
Yeah, but me say because unim see your boys ni bi ho upcoming artists ni bi ho no ma oye adwuma na nso ni sike nyina o de she ni music mo.
Yeah.
Ntu hu na asa oniska. Enye easy. Na sa obi mpo be tie wonyum ba ko no nya one stream ni mpo no enye easy sa. Ti music ni de omo no time no se na Mr. Black ehwehwe mu no so omo time kra mpo mo anya no fo ana omo wo fan base no omo hwehwe honom so what you say yeah
omo fan base no omo hwehwe honom ma member Bontu na menje na dwenche about what Kwesi said. Bontu
Riley
Kwesi
but you name easy
baby
easy cry say easy
na enkai fan say wengeze
so what I say so boss akani nyina enyomo no obeye na say obeye a obenya nkrofo a yebetie wo no problem stage is better na ebusa say die nti na ache because wo hwe na wanyini kakra ba obusa na say onya passion ni free nkra brem
exactly
but die na obusa say die nti na afei na this year na wo hwe nyomo na say kachenze ni nyina finances sikasem ye l'argent ni ho
ade na kasa word na kasa bi abeka wo mbia abefie wo se
so ati ase nti sikasem ne de senior nti se wo kache eno ana na wo correct no so wo ka se ene ekwan a ye fa so a promote enwom ana ekwan a nipa fa so tie enwom ana adoso nti ama enwom no we enwom na asesi a na eno kra asesi a na ekokra no
enye better
sa so what I say but to say talent bro you won grofo be bro you good wo but how many of them do you see outside so omo de omo be
and even with the internet if you are not careful we are good now take you pick one keep you pace now
aba sound ho akọ so the advice ni nyina they've said much boss and Sinofina has said much but the ambassador me can say where these things you are legends, you guys are legends. You take Kwesi in Kananyane. And you know if you have the platform and Crawford no mutie, people look up to you. Now my advisor, these are certain things that you shouldn't say because we'll be and I'll be able to do it. You see, people have better and nice projects outside, but how to reach the audience no crowd no it has never been easy. That's what I say. So I think one has an explanation. He shot himself right in the foot.
You know. All right, that's Bejafonse and Semna Matsen. Okay.
Me honey say once obedi ni 25 years anniversary no into opeso ba news in him. So what I say, I think say non so beat me account.
But
So say na train, ning na train.
Mama, yeah. Let's talk about this before I bring the next topic. Do you think say it feels right to downplay people's efforts and I say what people are doing just for the purpose you want to hype your upcoming event and I say will be but do you feel right about that?
To downplay, you see, that is why.
Because what he did is downplaying the efforts of current artists, yeah.
He's not downplaying effort of getting. Ono mu na moche you. You know no mu na moche you for invitation.
Say souvenirs so say and I read.
Oh, because if you say statements like this,
a thought that he's had in communicating it, he's wrong in communicating it. He has every right to have that thought. I say you me cheap, but a right to have that thought. But all can interest a right. Tell me, I'm saying I feel. He's saying it, you know, it's not good because it would make someone feel it is cheap, but it's not cheap.
And America say, but it being not cheaper, okay. Okasana, it's just like me saying, say, and Abonti saying, say, being a radio host is an easy thing to do. Is it not look? Does it not look like say or downplay? Yeah, you hosty, Ejumano.
And I just say for be I beautiful.
On say, oh free.
And I'm so check out.
Ofri titi phone mu na eba. I don't know if my words are right.
Oh, na say phone go check kasa.
Ofri e kire no oba. Hwe emre bi e betena say I think say last month o say na edi nkomo bia na em say Obapa Christiana say Empress ka say titi e kwan na e fa so ye cassette no mu na ye kama. It say e chen ne streaming platforms.
Na utimi hu sika no something like that.
Man Obapa Christi mu ye enwom no. Gospel musicians be brain na oh. Nso nipa mu do say na no mutimi cassette ni bi kra aton.
Because it was costly.
What you say? And I no crampo kra no. Yeah, what dem ho nyina say Riley nko ato a. Betimi akọ Riley wa akọ akọje abobia na akodi Blacko abobia na ambassador fina obebobi charisma bobobi. Nti ade ne ba akọ pe na ya to. But ya mana yede aba. But we are fortunate. Let's say bia utumi produce nyum bia eye kama. No akwakonya obi ama na ba beto. Nti saa omo ano mo ye good no. Omo time na yekoto omo nyum no a eboa omo because nipa na ba na beto ni nyina so
no na kwaye
copies ne dia aton. Nti wo a we good na we fortunate ne dia ne ato wo dia. Same thing ni. Uhu ni say bia Kempaluta mo be release omo nyum. But them onko promotion onko tour radio tour bia but enwom no a bia within 24 hours no wanya huge numbers bi ewo streaming platform no so no almost screenshot e share into what one hu abega say dey efo because gone were the days are now more there no mo be call traditional media be call radio so akutua payola na abo ama ansa na nkrofo cry dey ati intini sa what the time no ebe compare na unim say na ultimate release wonyuma order dem kra nkrofo be dey to even organize and I say bring or create a fan base in the crowd is a whole issue on its own.
Say now so person say
yemra say no. It's a big issue cra. So to gather fan base cra no enye easy. Na kwa koba say enwom no cra no because say obi a fan base in the cra ntino. Fan base sa akode Shatawale ni Samini aje omu nyina aboso. Meboa. Omaje omu nyina aboso. Nti ya ka no ama adwuma na eden because o pese o tapping into sa nkrofo miensa we die ni mu ansa na obi abeden aba betie wo de na se musuo kra mo na sa wo sa ne miensa mu bi kra konya asem kra de ene ye blacklist o kra intie wonyo. So how has this been easy for upcoming artists?
All right, and then Anakojo Mula say a day na event organizers etina sia train money do December and Sanoma start booking artists. Do you think there's something wrong with it? Say event organizers betting our train December do nothing on booking artists for more December shows. He feels like these bookings should have been done earlier and like earlier before December cry. My dream is saying Uhuni say a problem and a problem. Why is it a problem? And any problem why you also saying a problem? Any of you can start for me.
Really? Story who's on a kind?
Nana Kojo.
Honestly,
I don't know much about him, but I think he's a pundit.
Event organizers are not complaining, musicians are not complaining.
Why
Do you know why? to book an artist for the Christmas festivities na danger BBR because these artists tend to have shows on their own.
Yeah.
Also, Kofi Kenata, made in Thad, you know, he's cancelled a bit in previous years, and the reason was because a man for a booking for shows, you know, he feels on your time or money there and CBB. You can approach these artists and then tell them, show December. Into Yenka Bono. Also, Yen Trainer me had it because I'm cramming on the said day. And now, too, it is said the Okota de Ujomuno. When at the corner MPK on the market the price is low.
Yeah.
The moment he peaks, the price becomes high.
Yeah.
It's both the artists and then both the organizers, because organizers who also or who so approach artists no in August. See Enka December show. The artists might feel organizer Graham so unya obi into we Graham or be bomb a boy fun bia. Organizer being so be an agent say or no so be feel say if I approach this artist in August and answer in early before December now, or no as an artist no or as a man as an organizer no or be Felice bia minya ubia entina ha ana antima means minya say me as an organizer no minya say be drew December na artist ana ha if I say the organizer will feel artists no kubusa and sisi a obe born the boy kese but organizer say na minya e be do December na be artist ba wonya show it's a free or be form. I feel a two-sided idea. You can't tell me that say Nana Kojuno. Who is he? Is he on the organizer side? Thank you. So when you say on the organizer side, and on the musician side. So I feel Chairman Omon Kasaya was sanity.
Then also cry.
I feel it shouldn't be a complaint.
It shouldn't be a complaint.
Yes.
But you see, before you even organize a show, a lot goes into it.
Yeah.
My show me wahana me Riley Kufia boy me dey did Chalawe Riley said this year me pese me you because me share me ho a me share dan ready me sika se me ready, so the organizer is not financially stable and I say enyoma bi a obeke kan abu mama show na abaso no enye ready. How then would you go and book an artist?
Okoboki
What I say make us say crab a venue obey program no kra no unyenyae obekwa koduru honom no venue no mo event centers no class beka cho say bia this said date and I say say kra no menyam fama obi a nti ne yenhwem free saa time we nkonko ye de nkonkodu mind you adwuma ne ye nyina ye pesika nti ne mo na ade no ekosoro no and I say ye dru festive season no saa time no na sika kese ye de ebem nti event centers no beka cho say oh say akra de bia ma close it down maybe o December into December muna makako bie na afi watimi asiki venue no say time na on your artist be negotiate into no win-win game obia ni wa odi dwaboka into no
quick one medical show na da be
13th
aha and e unu be ona me me hu se na ona me manche fo ibi ho ahemfo ibi okope ketesiko as of last week so when wakobe 4 or 5 ho imagine ube booking no August mu was open for 5th and then Caesar. And they are better you know we be our opportunity that time chairman. See and you know I feel festivities, that is why festivities no. The artists will tell you is their cocoa season. They are right to say that. You could get events organized be on super session and you on super culture say on super cocoa season or no. Because if you are the request we control company we for sponsorship and go back to yen trainer if you are but in your wuramuna companies want their products to be sold and advertised. Event organizers also want go and you can't really blame anybody. If the artists start complaining, we would have questions for them. If the event organizers start complaining, we have questions for them. But until then, even if tickets na udu gates na kaso e panete mo reman we also to scan we to.
All right, the last topic for discussion we dey want to 2 minutes I say Kalis my son na kuma na who say Black Sheriff say and hip hop sound yeah benefit ya from the side ni era the J the boys ni na anyum na ye no the friend hip life no Bosum Piyong and a better no yanko na yanko tie we when we back abejafo be che o margin
That was him at the end.
Yo,
Is that?
when I see me, I dey try my best. I go give Bosom flowers every
Yeah.
chair I go sit inside.
Yeah.
Cause I believe like that our modern Ghanaian hip hop right now,
Mm-hmm.
a chunk of the sound come out from Bosom.
Really?
Telling you, even the people with them, even once we no more safe, he go register for inside.
Mm.
And like I know they come sit here and mention names or anything.
Yeah.
But like you see, somebody if you do something, right, then the effects it go come out from that, you know. People go learn without knowing that if
It was from there. Yeah.
yeah.
It's just inside there. You're like,
Like
oh.
I did listen to some from Akumpan days before Ariesu them time.
Mm.
I know.
Black Sheriff Namotin and can he begin up Busum Puyong, but still you had here. Or the main card so no black.
Imagine Jenny say every originator of something is relevant. So far as at the corner last day. The type of genre Black Sheriff we can was him say relevant this time. The artists who claims on the buy, no, is he that relevant?
Oh, Nasset Black, there are people who creating maybe.
What he them
Start to
kind
be.
every person out there, every originator of something is relevant as at the chrono, relevant, no.
But it depends on
Hip
time
life,
frame.
right? You know where you Stone at the buy.
Yeah.
As a time Reggie Rockstone they buy a Ginemuano, you could hear Reggie Rockstone. Ghana for be pay hip hop because of Jay-Z, Jigga need Ginemua Afrobeat. So Nigerians going the buy if you be a man here popular, the likes of Davido, the likes of Burna Boy, as I say I can't want some the Jenna Black Sheriff can't want see me. Famous now and I'm a boy. But give me top 10 people or man you famous now. You wouldn't mention a Yidin
Busum Puyong.
Thank you. But
it doesn't change the fact that
I
he can
feel
read
he's
original.
talking out of the love he has for his brother. It's not really.
Oh, Nasset Busum the end who on a Black Sheriff on.
You have another musicians and I'm for no money and only more. Was the other sound of music? What was it? Not a sound bay. Was the other? Son of Joko. The sound also because the other also had this niche.
Hip hop.
Sound style, no.
I'm not from what trap music for.
Yeah, buy and now Kwesi now he was Kwesi. So you don't attribute or don't push something big of relevance to someone who is not relevant as at now that we are talking.
It could be anything. You know, the other sounds or the buy and I say or to die. It could be anything.
And a managing influencer, regular
plan
buy. Now Lord Kenya Munya be 2 your platform be 2 but still when you are talking about hip life, we attribute it to Reggie Rockstone. You fan koma or Brafo.
Black mema.
Oh, your Brafo the hip life your day. Reggie Rockstone no come Brafo. Masana out here.
Yeah, Brafo can my hip life here me. Asem.
But she say you can't say why the hip life originator. You be say a carriage you
Asem so we was him dine. Wa Asem and weather forecast be 10 years in here. Crowd weather forecast the entire.
It doesn't change anything.
It doesn't change. It changes something.
I said on the ma hip hop here. It doesn't change the facts on the ma hip life.
On one see a bear acknowledge me fan.
Won't say he's part of my deal. I mean, Asem can crowd but me nim ni.
Over me say asem na ma hip life me dey. And I say asem atwam.
But that doesn't say the originator of it.
I didn't say he's the originator.
And I'm into me can be see we say so.
Into Black Sheriff you go find them run in contact. I say antokwa bi wo mu abeso
odi say o ka ba ye man ya enfant on record say e do wo ma Busum Puyong. Any reality on the ground.
Oh yeah, no cry, no one say oh
mama mema na shata
oh no, like who doma obia na say oh kaina wo kotena baby a person oboni di.
Why not mention Sarkodie?
Oh so no ne the onim no
yes laugh for Sarkodie too as well.
Hey,
Sergeant, how well has Sarkodie contributed? Yeah, say nipa ne baba ku mienu bia
Sarkodie has contributed because he's part of the transition.
And it's say the moment say obo atadwo ama na hete ni ntin say fa koma ne say no na ye originator of it. That's what you're trying to say, you know.
Maybe a patapa wan kona.
Hey, baga one.
Maybe a patapa wan kona kukudru.
But obia last words here, sorry so.
Is Opemsuo now.
Yeah, the akane makalismo.
But my last words.
Shatawale for a chief for more chief for Ziwakasa.
Oh yeah.
Bonti.
No, it's
What is so
Young
good?
Or the on phone is when we know where we.
Okay.
Debbie, it's you.
me want to kasa.
Menkasa. Etie for Edamase, said the DBI cano. A more muntina DBI to me bar. You beat me about betana casawa brow behind day in TA. Menam kwan so ameba. There is a big pub be next week, boss. Me bar me penny day. Ewo Fadi station honoma baby I will for taxi rank for no taxi rank wana me twem ho de bia da Opemsuo. Yes, I'll try and get the name next week, and I said Tuesday about we so we'll try and greet that person. A big pub be or they bear that Opemsuo, and it's our taxi drivers now move free for the back Kenya. One can be behind you, you see, say they are loving the show near their days. So
exactly.
that will be us. And on Chelsea in Myansa chain will be a opportunity. They are doing boss, they are doing in idea. You are saying, Tino. When you're quiet, I'm a name, when you're quiet, I'm a you just hit us on Facebook or live or no more, which you have a healthy conversation near to what I'm BBI, Yankopon can't be on. No show be a sweet because it's a Drew Brunia, some will be answered so sharper.
Amen.
Sidofina.
Mr. Raleigh, ye den say send ye a Drew Saturday on se baby I din obi etie ha say obi etie Kumasefie Opemsuo enti ne ye behwere mo so monkoso anye dey enti ye send o matie da akotum samre no monkoso anye dey enti ana unim Twitter Kumasi influencers okay yeah some donation bi ewo Kumasi
definition of more influencers no is this obia na betima babia na say mo na mati ko friend sir
obia we Kumasi ni na wo Twitter okay so what you say
you got your own group in strong when I saw Twitter
X
formerly Twitter but say they X so what you say
Blacko punchline hey punchline
hey Mr. Raleigh Kumasi X influencers and a donation so what you say ain't near here more support Mombra na Mombra be embe support here so what I say the amount for can ye be so what you say bam on the 20th ain't no want me be Joe Brabe donate Raleigh beba charisma boss me ban
na mususa saadi we ya
monto kwa de
monto kwa e twementi e ta na wo so mo de e twem
Raleigh dem is to one say
we de Kwesi P
dem is to one say Shatawale has been named in the top 10 most supported Swahili on Spotify. Artist on Spotify. By nyehwe wonke hu. Onu mu go any page or trotro on your ma uni awe. Grammy na o die hu dede na e ba ni adwumaku ayo ho. O ye wa no fum. O ye dede. E ba ni adwumaku afa ho de wa no fum.
Last words na mbuza.
Na make last words na tell you make Spotify there by how they know what's how they do be tragedy. Pow! Oh, Spotify there by I can't be tragedy. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy.
All right, I am 104.7 FM Kumasefie Mr. Black Net Nasen.